Hey everybody, it's Jeff here and thanks for tuning in. Today's gonna be a very quick short video. I want to talk about the ergonomics of the new Rag Company's Ultra Utility Brush compared to brushes that we all have used in the past, including other name brand brushes that you may or may not have used on wheels before. So let's get into it. So the first brush I want to talk about is the brush that most of us have in our buckets that we've had for years, right? It's something like this. You can buy these anywhere at Walmart, on Amazon. A lot of major detailing companies have a brush just like this, right? It's a handle, it has places to put your thumb. Overall, it's very comfortable, right? Or you could be using something like this from the Detail Factory. Super soft, very, very soft. It holds in the palm of your hand with a nice grip, and it's decent size. It's probably what, about 4 inches in diameter from here to here. However, with the Rag Company's Ultra Utility Brush, this has a wood handle. The bristles are super, super soft. I wasn't expecting them to be this soft. Of course, it's brand new. And it fits in the palm of your hand. Now, everybody's hands are a little different in size. My hand seems to just make it just right, that I can grip it properly. If I had to make any comments about it, I wish maybe this instead of flat would be a little curved, but I can kind of guess that if it's flat, you can store it like this on a shelf so it can dry out. So you're not, leaving it like this and resting on the bristles. Whereas on the Detail Factory curveball, significantly smaller, it does have a holder to keep the bristles in the downward position. So you can see between the two that the curveball is smaller. It's kind of hard to do here, but is smaller than the Rag Company's Ultra Utility Brush. This is going to give you more surface area to clean those wheels faster. And I think I like it way better than a brush like this. It just feels better, not based on how you hold it, but when you're pushing up, right? Like this, up against a wheel, it feels awkward here for me because the cleaning surface is here, right? It's over here, but the pressure is coming from down below by the handle here. So it's just awkward. I think awkward ergonomically, it doesn't feel good. I'm putting a lot of pressure on my wrist here. And I've learned over time when you're detailing cars, you want to use a tool, or in this case a brush, that's as ergonomically correct as proper as possible for your body, because some of you might be doing this a lot, right? So when I'm holding this, the Rag Company's utility brush, their Ultra Utility Brush, I'm putting all my force directly onto this surface area, which is translating directly to the bristles of the brush. So be sure to like and subscribe to this video because I'll be doing an actual wheel cleaning. Right now all my cars are clean, so I don't have time to do it. And I don't know, this just feels better. So I'll have to see how it actually works when I'm cleaning the wheel, right? So again, this is really a quick short video because I just got this brush and I want to compare this to this, and I'll do a whole video on that, so subscribe for that. And I guess I'll just continue to use this for other reasons other than wheels, because I do have multiples of this curveball. But yeah, if you want to know more about this, be sure to see my other videos, which will come out eventually. I don't know when it's going to come out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the videos here or here that YouTube thinks you might be interested in. And I will see you on the next video.